At some point towards the end of last week, the decision was made, and in about 24 to 48 hours, we had this place set up and running. Prior to starting this up, we initiated a hotline that people could call to receive a screening over the phone. Seeing an increase in volume in the hotline and potential and a relaxing of the testing standards, we decided to open this up. A couple of main reasons. One is our focus to keep both patients and our staff and physicians safe. By offering a drive-through testing facility, this allows people to receive the testing that they need without having to enter the buildings and potentially spread the virus or infection to other people. So before they're seen here, they need to either have been screened on the hotline number that I mentioned earlier, or seen in the clinic or screened by their primary care provider. Over the weekend, we had about 45 people come through. Today, it's mid-morning, and we've had about 12 or 15 so far today. The criteria at this point really is just if you have a fever and any respiratory symptoms, a cough generally, or a tightness in breathing, shortness of breath. If you have those symptoms, then an order can be put in for you to come here to be tested. We've got sort of two steps in our process. One is a registration step, just to make sure that you have been pre-screened and that there's an order in place for the test to be done. Once that's confirmed, then the car is pulled forward, and as all the patient has to do is look forward and tilt their head back a little bit, rest it against the headrest, and then the medical assistant or nurse that's taking the test does the rest. They'll reach in, and it's a nasal swab, the test is, so they reach in with the test swab and just insert that up the nasal passageway, and then that's it. Test is done, and the patients are free to go. We are expecting increases in volumes each day. Exactly how much that's going to increase and how quickly that's going to increase is hard to predict, but certainly as the week goes on, we're anticipating a regular increase in volume throughout the coming weeks.